Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Just let me know if the mic is working. That's my question because last time we had issues with the microphone. Yeah, I don't know. I'm asking if anyone can hear me. Basically, let's try this again. Let's put this as a message, pinned message, sure. There we go. Yeah, just let me know if you can hear me because we had issues last time. Basically, before we even start. Either way, it's gonna be a short session because in 30 minutes I need to get going. But yeah, hello, hello. How is it? Can you guys see me, hear me? Everything is good. The dishwasher is working, so there's making some noise. But other than that, everything is good. Let's see. Can you hear me? There we go. No one can hear me. Why is the camera like this? Why is the blurring? I don't know what's going on. It's just, it's probably not the best day to do any live. Maybe I'll do another session, I don't know, like 8, 9 p.m. tonight, Eastern time, 6, 7 hours from now. I don't know why the camera, you can hear me, that's good. I don't know why the camera is beeping or bumping. Either way, how is everybody? Yeah, camera doesn't look good, so I will probably close this in like a minute. I will say this, I think we're going long. I said that like a few days ago, and Bitcoin now 19,600. Why I'm thinking we're going long? Because oil is now 99 bucks, and if oil is 99 bucks, last time that oil went to like from 110 to like 102, the Nasdaq did like 10% in a week. That was like 2 3 weeks ago, which is crazy. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins should follow. Ethereum at 1100, super strong. I'm very optimistic about Ethereum. I wasn't expecting it to stay above $1,000 still, even though Bitcoin was below 20, which is crazy. So I'm gambling my life savings on GMX. There's a link below. Feel free to use it, and I'll get something back from them. They don't pay a lot. People think you shield a ref link and you get like $100,000 in a month. I heard it. I heard that some people make $100,000 amount shilling Bytebit. What's the Bytebit exchange, Bitboy, and all those? They have a million plus followers. If they shill a link, they can get 100,000 monthly from shilling a link. If I shill a link, I get maybe $20. Okay, so it's not about the hey, let's shill a link and I'm getting 100K a month. This is if someone wants to trade and you don't have access to Binance, FTX, and all the rest because you live in the US. So far, GMX is pretty awesome, in my humble opinion. Another financial advice. I went long. I posted on Discord. You can also join here. Link below. 7 days trial. I posted Bitcoin long at 19.5. This was like 2 hours ago. Again, if oil goes down and everyone are short to oblivion because oil was at 112 or something last week and it was about to go to 120, and I think JP Morgan says we're going to see like $400 oil soon, or 360, 380 something, and in return oil went down to like $100 like a couple of days later. Always do the opposite. Do the opposite of the majority. Crypto Twitter says the 4th of July weekend we're gonna crash into oblivion. I went long. I'm still long. Yeah, just do the opposite from the herd, basically. Let's see what we got. Recession is on its way. Yeah, I agree. It's already here. It's not on its way. It's already here. Don't want to FOMO 2 more weeks and boom. That's no, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Everyone, the more you hear people saying we're gonna crash 5,000, 10,000, 13, 14, 16, all that stuff. I said it in my last live a few days ago. The more it won't happen. Why? Because Sam from FTX bailed the industry, and people don't understand what happened here. Sam bailed the industry. All the bad players, bad apples, not all of them, most of them got bailed out. Celsius, as much as I hate them as the next guy now, even though I don't have funds there, uh, Celsius lowered their liquidation level to what, like 13, $11,000, something like that. Bitcoin is now liquidation for Celsius. I don't think we're gonna get another 50% drop. I just don't see it happening. Sure, Celsius is horrible. They used people's fund that was illegal. I hope I hope something will happen with them, but Sam bail out all the rest. Otherwise, we would be at 10,000 Bitcoin a month ago. We didn't. Ethereum barely break 1,000 to like 800, 880 something, and now it's over $1,100. That's just crazy. About 4K, 4,000 for Celsius, really? If that's true, then that's like Michael Saylor liquidation level. I don't see us going to 3,000 Bitcoin. If you're waiting on the sideline, I saw a couple of people. Cosmos, take Cosmos Atom for example. It's like $9 now, 880. It was 550 like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, and people say, hey, it was 40 and now it's like 5.5. I'm not gonna buy until it's like $2, $3. And every time it will go there, which I don't see it happening, they will say another 50% below. And of course, those people will buy at $40, 50 and 60 and above. That's just crazy. You're never gonna catch the bottom. Another financial advice: dollar cost average, of course, into your favorite long-term coins that you have conviction. That's basically it. It's investment should be boring. Don't go to Bybit and do 100x leverage and get liquidated. I've never done 100x leverage. This is crazy. If you do 100x, I assume a move of what, 0. Let's do the math. If 30x leverage is about, I don't know, I think it's 2.5. Let's call it 3% move. You either double your money or get liquidated. So 100x is 3 times 3.3 from there, which is crazy. That means that what, 0.5%, 0.6% move, and you get liquidated. Well, if you put $1,000 coin on an altcoin that moves 0.5%, 0.6%, you lost $1,000, and then it goes up 10%. That's the problem. If it goes 10% and leverage is, I don't know, it's good and bad. It's good and bad. In my humble opinion, and again, not a financial advice, I don't support leverage, but the less money you have, if you want to make it, you got to take some risks. If all you have, for example, is $100, just for the example, and you buy, I don't know, Bitcoin, you buy Bitcoin with that $100, a 10% move with your Bitcoin, let's not do Bitcoin, let's do altcoin, okay? If you buy, I don't know, Uniswap, for example, at $4, we did an alert on Discord a week ago when the AI prediction went long on the daily on Uniswap at $4. Let's call it $5 now. It's 5 something. That's 25% move. Okay, we got in. The AI got in at like 404. Let's call it $4, something like that. And let's call it 5 now. 25% move on the daily. So let's say you put $100 and you buy Uniswap because the AI prediction on Discord says go long Uni, like a week, 10 days ago, something like that. And you go long, and from $4 to $5, 25% move, your $100 is now $125. Congratulations, that's all you can afford, $100. That's fine. That's where I think leverage is at play. So if you have $100, $1,000, whatever, and if you lose it, Okay, you can still pay rent, buy mortgage, food, bills. It's not gonna deter your life. Put that $100, even, I don't know, let's say 10x leverage. Now you play with $1,000 and $4 to $5, 25% move. Your $100 with a 10x leverage just went to 250. That's pretty nice. 250 becomes 150 profit. Not bad. 150 profit. That's good. I would take that. If you go gamble mode degen, that $100 on a 30x, let's say for a GMX, just for the example, at 3% move to double your money, 25% move, $4 to $5, just for the math. Let's call it 6 times your money. $600 minus your initial, you made $500 from $100. That's good. And if Uniswap went from $4, let's call it 3% down, how much is that to 388? Which could very happen. Don't get me wrong, could very happen. You lost $100. You lost $100. Are you done? If it's game over for you, don't do that. But if it's a gamble of $100 and you got 25% move, that's 5 times your money. That's crazy good. That's how I think. If you go to Bybit, which I don't know, I'm not doing that. First of all, I'm in the US, so we can't do that. But that's just like super crazy mode. 100x, let's call it 0.6% move. I don't even know how to calculate it. But if Uniswap goes from $4, how much is that, to 398? That's the problem. 397, 398, you lost $100. So you gotta catch the super duper time to buy and hope that nothing will happen. That's why 100 is too much, 30 is too much, 1 is no leverage. It's up to you. It's up to you. But if it's money that you can't afford to lose. That's why I'm That's why I'm not just shilling GMX. I actually use them with small amounts. Whatever the AI said, I take most of the trade, not all of them, basically, on the Discord. Okay, let's see what else we got. Yesterday, I saw VC June fundraising rounds on average 200 million on a project. VCs are investing. Yes, VCs are investing. I have on Discord Whale Wallets channel. Whale Wallets channel that I update ideally every Friday, but lately it's been hard, so every 2 weeks. Yeah, a lot of buys have been done in the last I don't know, since the middle of June. A lot of VCs either pump a lot of stable coins, new stable coins into the market. Okay, that's what I've seen so far. 80 million, 100 million, all that stuff, just getting ready to buy. You're not putting 100 million USDC on chain to do nothing. You're getting ready for a move. That's basically that's my thinking. One degen alt wallet that I follow just bought like 99% of his stables or ETH change into Ohm. 99.99 down Ohm. He bought like $700,000 Ohm at like $13 2 weeks ago. That tells me that people are starting to go to think, hey, this is probably the bottom. If we go down a little bit more, if you're waiting on the sideline for 13K, 14K, 10K, 3K, why are you doing that? Because everyone are telling you this is where we headed. Again, people don't understand that Sam could have saved this industry. If Sam wouldn't save the big companies in the crash like 3 weeks ago, we would be there with the market cap instead of $1 trillion, like 900 billion now, 980 something, will be at least half of that. And I think if Bitcoin go see the latest Chico Crypto video, Bitcoin goes like 17K and below, then miners have to force sell to support, and it's gonna just cascade liquidation. There's so much money to support all those operations to stay on float. And I assume if you're just waiting for the crash, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. You had Bitcoin at like almost $70,000, and now it's below 20, and you're not buying because you think it's gonna go down another 30% down. Okay, I'm not putting my mortgage the house for buying altcoins now, but I'm starting to DCA into favorite coins that are down 80%, valuable coins that I want to hold. That's what I'm doing. It's already down 80% in the last, I don't know, 6 months or so. Sure, it can go down another 90%. I'll buy more. DCA. Let's see what we got. Look at the Celsius short squeeze. Yeah, Celsius is going up. They paid the liquidation. They pay down the Bitcoin stuff. All they have to do is send a message now, send an email. Hey, we're resuming withdrawals, and then I don't know what could happen. This will be a crypto GameStop moment. Celsius is paying back loans. They do. TradeFi has made a full frontal attack. I don't know. I don't know if it was TradeFi or whoever it was, but if Celsius get out of that and pay back loan, all the withdrawals and stuff like that, let's say a month from now, we're gonna go back super high. We're gonna go back super high. Even though I don't condemn what they've done, but this is just crazy. Yeah, that's my humble opinion. Any more question? This was a short 15-minute session. Basically, yeah, I might do another live tonight around 9 p.m. Eastern. Not sure, depends on how the day goes, but I need to get going soon. This was nice. Link above, Discord, 7 days trial to do whale wallets, AI prediction, all that stuff. You want to gamble your life savings, there's a GMX links over there as well. My name is Ziv. Find us after 40, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, probably tonight. Bye-bye.